Kenya National Commission on Human Rights NIRWAMBIKITE MUBANGO KUROGOTA MAWONI KUMA KURI ANDU IGURU RIA NDERITI NYEDEKITHIE ya Aria marĩ na ciega CIERE cia Uciari ya mwaka wa 2023 ikirongoreria KUMATAMBURA na mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa rũhonge rũrũ niwe Okutoi augĩte atĩ wona ndereti ĩno yakorwo ĩkĩhetũkio ihoto cia andũ aya nĩ igũtambũrĩka hamwe na kũrorwo na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire.
The recent census, we did have intersex spouses persons counted. As a country, we have 1,524 intersex persons. And in CIAGA County, we have 18 intersex persons who were then registered. So it's a government process. And the recent amendments in the Children's Act also recognizes intersex persons. Yes.
We are a constitutional commission and we have been created under Article 59 of the Constitution to promote and protect the rights of all persons in Kenya.
I'm intersex person. So when I want to talk about the intersex persons are not the people that people thinking that they will belong to the LGBTI community and their activities. The intersex persons, they were alone people.
On a vulnerable group that has been left behind for many, many years. And this is specifically the intersex person. And the Commission has been on the forefront to promote and protect their rights and specifically to ensure that there is an enabling legal environment that is able first to recognize their rights, to promote their rights, and to protect their rights as intersex person.
Access of job opportunities. If you try to go to other areas to look for a job, you will not get a job because one, those employers, they will ask you, are you a male or are you a female?
I've come up with a draft bill called the Intersex Bill that is has the main goal of really enhancing their rights. And under this particular intersex bill, we have various parameters that as a commission we feel will be able to enhance their rights, including their recognition from birth. Because as a commission, what we are saying is that intersex persons start facing discrimination and violation of human rights from birth.
Being lonely, rejections. If you have been rejected and you don't have a space to go, you don't have someone to protect you, who don't have someone to talk to, you will pass a lot of it.